going to talk about the Pandora Elite. Now, it's the best alarm system that we actually supply and fit. It's the flagship alarm system that Pandora does, and it gives you overall protection on the vehicle. Now, what we have here is a Abarth 124 Spider, I had to think then, and this is the GT model. Now, it belongs to a dear customer of ours, Curly, and we've done a couple of his cars already, and it's just a beautiful looking car. Just have a look. So, like I said, we fit the Pandora Elite, which is our flagship alarm system. So it does work with the factory remote, and with these, with the 124 Abarths, it actually has keyless keys on there, unlike the Abarth 595s, where it has actually remote and a physical lock key. But this is completely keyless. So this is probably even more vulnerable than the actual 595s are. So at the moment, what you have to do, you have to carry one of these tags with you to actually be able to disarm the alarm system, or the Pandora Elite remote, which is a pager remote. And this remote acts like a tag as well, so you don't actually need to carry that with you if you wanted to carry this, or vice versa. So you don't actually have to have that, you could have that. What I've done, I've switched this off and I've taken the battery out of this. So the alarm system cannot actually see an authorised tag. So I'm going to unlock the door. It's not actually disarmed the alarm system. It'll spend a few seconds looking for the alarm, which it can't, so now the alarm's going off. Now if you come over here, I'll just show you the immobilisation. Well, it won't start at all, there's absolutely nothing there. So, if I put the battery back in the tag, and now we have an authorised key as far as the alarm system is concerned. So if I just lock it and unlock it, it's now disarmed the alarm system because now it sees the tag. And if I try to start it, and it starts. As standard, the alarm system comes with a shock sensor, tilt sensor, motion sensor, warn-away shock sensor. So it is a full package, complete protection on the vehicle. So any attempt of intrusion will trigger the alarm system off, and obviously they can't start it because of its own immobilisation, and it is very secure. The other thing that's good with it is the actual online app side of it. So it has its own SIM card, so it communicates with you. So if the alarm triggers, you'll get an app alert, text alert. You can make it turn into a phone call, so it gives you a phone call if the alarm's triggered, and it tells you exactly what's triggered it. So if it's a door that's opened, it'll tell you that the door's been opened. If it's the shock sensor side of it, it'll tell you. If it's a shock sensor intrusion, it'll tell you. So it's quite comprehensive, plus also it has built-in GPS tracking, so you could actually see where the vehicle is at all times. And you could actually go back in history as well. So you could go back a month ago and see, you know, if you want to know where the vehicle was a month ago, or if there was a trigger point, you know, you could go back in history and it'll tell you when it happened, where it happened, and the time and date, which is, you know, pretty comprehensive. So that's the best alarm system that we could supply, which is the Pandora Elite, which is their flagship alarm system installed on this Abarth 124 Spider GT.